Okay guys, quick review of the WANLIPO 2-channel dash cam. This is another Amazon dash cam. I've reviewed a ton of these and pretty soon I'm gonna do a full video on all the different ones. But today we're gonna do a quick unboxing here and then we are going to take a look at what the camera quality looks like. I'll get some videos driving around and see what you guys think in terms of the quality. So right here we have a standard USB-C, goes into your car charger. That's pretty standard with most of these cameras these days. In terms of the rear camera right here, we got plenty of wire there, and then I'm curious how this plugs into the main camera. Gonna go ahead and, oh, there it is right there, just with the little aux cord. That's pretty standard as well. And then right here, we have the actual mount for the camera. So we will go ahead and unbox this. I actually really like this style mount. So this is basically a suction cup that you twist this and that performs the suction cup action. And in my experience, these are pretty good and strong. So that's that. And we also have a little pry bar tool to pry kind of the side of the windows and the foam away so you can tuck the cables in. And then there is some sticky clips if you need to run a wire kind of on the ceiling of your car. Now let's get the dash cam out itself here. This is pretty small, but hey, that's a good thing as long as the quality is good. So this is what we're looking at here. So this is 4K, it does have GPS, it says 170-degree wide angle. So this is going to install just like this. There we go. So relatively easy. I am going to go ahead and pop that off for now. With this is not a touchscreen, we do have an OK, a menu, and then our arrow keys. So let's go ahead and get this installed and run through. Now that's funny. This actually has, I guess, somewhat charge stored in it because it was able to turn on without the power cable. Now another big thing here is it does come with an SD card. Let's see what size that is. I'm always struggling to get these out. This SD card is 64 gigabytes, so not bad. You gotta love when they come with the SD cards. You don't get it and then have to buy something else. All right, let's go ahead and get this plugged in and we'll take a look at the menu and the video quality. Okay guys, I've got it installed now. You can see here it is recording. You've got a nice blinking light to make sure you're good. Cable's up here. Let's go ahead and look in the menu here. Video file is locked. Video file has been unlocked. So I guess that's what that M means. It's a mode thing. Okay, so basically there doesn't appear to be any menu. It just goes and records. So we can see in the top right there it says 4K plus 2.5K. I don't have the rear camera plugged in, but let's do a drive test and see what the quality looks like. Let's do a drive test and see what the quality looks like. Okay guys, so that was a quick review of the WANLIPO. Overall, the video quality, in my opinion, is above average. Stay tuned because I am going to be creating a video where I have back-to-back footage of like 10 different Amazon dash cams. But this one is pretty serviceable. It is lacking some menu options, but overall it's not a bad option. So I will have it linked down below. If you're interested in looking into some other dash cams, I will leave up a playlist right here of all my dash cam reviews so you can check out some other videos on Amazon dash cams. Thanks for watching.